He accidentally sent me a selfie of him and a woman he worked with, taken in his bedroom. They were all dressed up for a holiday party, hanging all over each other. The text that followed read, "I am so in love with you, my sweet lil asterisk 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 asterisk." He had told me he was going alone. I got this text at 3:30 a.m. His attempts to explain were laughable. First he claimed, "Look who I found at the Xmas party." Did he think I wouldn't recognize his bedroom furniture? Finally, he came up with the wildest excuse. He said she must have stolen his phone, used his thumbprint while he was drunk, and sent the selfie to sabotage our relationship because she had fallen for him. He even had the nerve to say she was the only one who would gain anything by doing that. Well, she gained something that night, all right. A 180 pounds narcissistic dumbass that I am totally over. Yes, my sweet lil asterisk 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 asterisk. Enjoy your prize. I hope her husband enjoys him as well.